Welcome to Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. This is Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1. This is Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Mamelodi Sundowns 1 position.
Million prawns.
Sharp. Spend this to
Hey, don't talk again. What a beautiful game of football to watch.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm going to Paula and first half, I realized the Chiefs showed respect to Sundowns.
To African champions.
To African champions, that's what you can say.
Yes.
But my problem is that the Chiefs in a player which can play any team pound to pound. I think if fear comes from rhetoric and fans who don't believe in themselves. And then manje wele kuma player. Chiefs na ma player problem. Be careful. But manje bagcine bapake pass first half. Second half my second half bayenze the same thing. And then win a goal in a transition, which I didn't like because I wanted them to play Sundowns toe-to-toe and show them the strength that they possess as Kaizer Chiefs. But because now John Bush Sundowns is African champs, you have to give them that respect that they need. Coach Kaizer Chiefs, because he's still on his, I think it's on his third or fourth game. I think he's testing and seeing, and there was no better game than this one to check his players and see the experience that he possesses in his bench. So it was not bad for him to do what he did, but as a coach, I understand and respect the choice that he made. It protected him, it protected the scoreline, and it protected all the supporters that are here. When Chiefs is playing and Mamelodi Sundowns is playing, it's a technical game always. And even if Sundowns can score more goals, about goal easily. Even today you could see they struggled to penetrate to the final third. Even we can say Chiefs were pass, but they had to give the respect that the way is true. And they push them wide, and they push out wide. They threw two to three players. Because Ikouta Cruz the previous game at Chelsea Galaxy. Chelsea Galaxy limaze and then the last time umuntu olimazi Pirates wani umuda ungada no Leon. So Leon umoloyisani bamtshelele bathatha lo muntu umfaka esikhwameni. Anganyakazi noma yale unaye noma yale and noma yatwenza amaranda abeka mbambini. And ancedwa ngithi I deep six yakhe umthetho naye was playing a very crucial role in controlling that area where the loose ball avela. So the only play they could play was back, and they did not attract to a point of space. So meaning Chiefs was very disciplined in not allowing the press Sundowns affected, because remember Sundowns might like move if you go to press so that you open spaces like my corridor, so it didn't work. So they had to play in the side and then they never scored a ball, but it didn't work. So it's cut must be see first half not second half Sundowns because they were now desperate. So they were pushing Chiefs up the middle. So when push up the middle, Chiefs now much spoiling. Pili bamchelo down na hlala lapha ekhoneni. Ungamuvi. Ibola lizofika and it happened. Ibola lafika washaya goal. But udentuzana I don't know abantu why ba blame Peter. Peterson wenzeni because that ball flew. Peterson uphumile. He was trying to ukushaya ibola lihamba. Unfortunately la shaya which happens in football. So why are you going to blame the goalkeeper when he was doing his job? Because that ball flew up. And the ball the player cannot jump as high as the goalkeeper. Because the player was 76 hands. The only person who uses his hands is the goalkeeper. So we may see the ball, unfortunately. But overall, when I enjoyed the game, I saw the technical brilliance and the I've never understood him how he plays, because I was spoiled by Urulane no Pitso, because continuation ka Rulani no Pitso was seamless.
Brilliant.
They both used similar technicalities. So uKhodo Somagafika naye ufika nge style of play yakhe. So but I can see where he's taking the team in order how to make that, how he won the Champions League. Namanje uku defender sobona ngakhona ukuthi uzoyidefenda kanjani Champions League. But now with the Cruz I can see ukuthi yena manje I think ama fans kakhulu they should give him a chance because he's still testing the players in different games. Ngoba na next game I don't think he's going to use the same team because he needs to test. Even substitution he needs to test and see ukuthi okay mangifake lo nalo badlala kanjani mangifaka lo Siswini because Chiefs manje the only person abashoda ngayo is a playmaker in the middle ozodlala noMthethwa no Ndlovu who's going to be able to penetrate and pass. Yabona Maboya bamdlalisa as a 6 as his playmaker
And I cannot play me.
no I'm a pretty fit up rock bamdlalisa as a 6 and a 6 at bamdlalisa deep 6 defensive midfield. Chiefs ka jeng like a DMT3
Shall we rap or
Yeah, so far.
So anyway, the Chiefs mangathola nje 2 players ezokwazi ukusubstitute because they have those players on the sides who can contribute, but in the middle of the park we need somebody to penetrate. We can say number 10 because that's what people are saying these days, but they are